So just a week to go as 2025 ends. Tell us some of the high points of Synersoft's journey in the last 12 months, sir.
Yeah, so a lot of things have happened in last 1 year. Especially, I would like to point out one. We know that AI is coming sooner than we anticipated, and at a strategic level, at the board level, we were concerned about how we will use AI or how we will be impacted about AI. So we experimented a lot with AI, and in this year, which is I would say it's a milestone year for us, where we figured out how AI can complement our technology and enhance the value for our customers. So that is one thing which has happened in last 1 year, that we got immense clarity about how we are going to apply AI to serve our customers.
Thank you, sir. So, second question. What was the single toughest challenge you had to overcome on your growth journey, sir?
Well, I remember long back, around 15 years ago, when we started this for our target segment, which is MSMEs of India, mostly industries, engineering companies, biotech, pharma companies. We realized that they have certain problems, and those problems they will continue to face, and those problems will become bigger and bigger, and that will really block their growth journey. But how much we knew, that less they knew, and they were not aware about those problems. So right from the beginning, we have started concept selling. We had to tell them that you will face these problems, and we had to sensitize them about those problems. So we had to talk to them in their own language, because they were not tech savvy people, and our product was about IT and compliance. So we made around 100 short movies, directed by professional actors, and that helped us in concept selling. So concept selling was the biggest challenge, and that is how we overcome it.